Hi, good evening, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. We haven't had a small talk for a while, and we also don't have the time to discuss a lot of psychiatric psychology term. So today I brought something. I want to talk about a term called imposter syndrome. I'm not sure if people are aware of this term. It's always happened to those newbie who get into the career, or all those professional who just get into a career or get promoted. What is the term mean? Imposter syndrome. So the meaning of the term is a person who actually is a high achiever, is a perfectionist, a person who actually achieve a lot, but they always have this persistent internalized fear of being expressed as a flaw. So let me explain that term again. So persistent internalized fear. So means that they always have this fear inside their mind, thinking they will be exposed by other people. So a lot of things called imagination. They feel like they may be exposed as a flaw. It's not real. Their achievement is not real. That's what they think internalizedly, even though they really do really well. So that's why I say this term imposter syndrome occur to those people who's a high achiever, who is a perfectionist, and who is a soloist, always do things by their own, and they can refer to like a superman, superwoman, means that those high achieve individual men and women at a career, and they tend to be labeled that way because those people tend to be stressed out a lot. And according to statistics, this type of syndrome develops in both men and women equally. So if you are a high achiever, man or woman, at your career, you tend to develop that kind of syndrome. You feel like all of your achievement is due by the luck. It's not by your skill. And this type of internal fear generating a lot of negative energy inside your body and will create a lot of negative force, and you will constantly feel worried, you feel nervous because you're never sure if your achievement is real, and you will be afraid that sooner or later someone gonna discover your secret, someone gonna feel like you are not as competent as you are, and someone gonna find out that you are incapable. So how to cope with this symptoms, imposter syndrome? So that's what we're gonna talk about today. So I'm just gonna list three simple things. So first thing, you need to review your accomplishment. You need to review your achievement because you need to validate in those feelings. You need to review and to see, even though you very confident, those people are very self-aware, they are high confident, thinking that their achievement is real, but deep inside they also have some kind of fear. So meaning that your brain telling you that, oh my God, I'm doing so well, I'm perfectionist, I'm excellent, I'm a superman, superwoman, I'm an excellent person, I'm an overachiever person, I'm doing really, really well. But at the other hand, your other brain signal tell you, oh my God, you're not doing as well as you think. It's all due to your luck. Your promotion is due to the luck. So this type of syndrome, imposter syndrome, also occur to those people who just get promoted, who have a new career, who become a supervisor. And those type of people tend to suffer from this type of syndrome. So the first thing, like I say, is to review your accomplishment, kind of review to-do list and to see why you feel like you are accomplished this. And second thing, you need to find one of a person that you trust a lot, kind of vent it. Vent it means that you kind of tell them why you feel like you're not incompetent, why you feel you're competent. You have to be honestly telling your feeling and express that feeling to the person that you trust. You will feel much better. And the third thing that you can do to conquer and to cope with imposter syndrome is to kind of feel more relaxed, just kind of have a relaxing mind, and also talk to your boss about it. If you are in a high demand career, you need to talk to your boss and kind of communicate with your boss to see if there's something wrong with my career, if there's something wrong with my work, do I do something wrong? Because those kind of people tend to also be afraid that they may get fired or laid off. So you need to talk to your boss about it. Usually, if you feel like you're doing well, if you get your performance review every year, you do really well, then you don't have to worry. But the third things I would suggest is to talk to your boss about it and kind of discuss the solution and to clarify your strength and weakness. So those are the three things that you can cope with this if you have imposter syndrome. So that's it for today's short video. I hope this is beneficial to you, and I hope I will see you again next time. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.